Firstly, a very warm welcome to all of you, and today I'm gonna present about my experience of learning English, and it's been an impeccable journey. First of all, I would like to thank to my mentor who gave me this glamorous opportunity to say something in front of you. So I have been mugging up this language for a long time, and I got fed up of English because I think it was not my cup of tea. But after joining this institute, I got to see many changes because I got fed up of belaboring mistakes after mistakes. And so after joining this institute, because it could possible because of my mentor, because he is intellectually smart and he is erudite and he is warm and courteous, and without the guidance, without following his guidance, I would never able to articulate in English, and I would never get command on this language. So as you know, English is not a bugbear, and initially it isn't teething trouble, but if you practice regularly every day, if you take time from your subject like other subject, so you sooner or later you'll get used to it. And as you might have known that many biggest company like MNC, and they are hiring employees on the basis of their skills. If you are dexterous, or if you are skillful, or if you want to get connoisseur of English, you have to start your career, you have to set forth your careers in English. And so it is the better or easiest way. And one thing that I can recommend you as a brother, that stop translating sentences and stop cramming up this language, because you will never able to articulate, you will forget ended up. And it doesn't matter if you are expert or not, because expert can make mistakes, because they will not able to articulate as long as they want if they are still translating sentences in their heads. So it is a very obsolete way of speaking. But like if you really want to get upper hand in this language, you should start speaking from today. And and I can give you, I can assure you that you might be enjoying your work, and you feel confident, and because it stimulates your confidence, and it stimulate your morale, and you won't feel down in front of everyone. So it is the better way. And if you follow this guidance, and your success will smile on you. So hopefully you might have liked this interpretation, and you will follow this lead, and one day you will definitely able to articulate like a native speaker. So thank you, and have a nice day.